you guys doing?
Collecting our candy.
Are you sorting out all your candy from trick-or-treating?
Mix it up and get it in here.
Are you going to put it all together?
But get out all of your stickers. Your stickers out.
Candy, candy, candy. Bless you.
But there was a story when it came at the restaurant when it was following us, remember? Oh, I think this is bubblegum you wanted.
You can chew it. You just have to throw it out before you spit it out before you go to bed. Before you brush your teeth.
Oh no, let me get all these stuff, okay, everybody? Try to eat this.
What is that, Jackie?
It's that candy strawberry.
Oh. Yummy. All right, and then that's your only piece tonight. Okay.
No.
Yeah, because you've had enough. And remember what I said?
No. Number 2 after. So, I have to have one more.
Okay.
Cause I know he got 2.
Hey, everybody say Happy Halloween.
Yes. Remember, Mommy said to deal it. You can have 2 after you have to have 2. Oh, hey! There's my witch tattoo. It was in the trash can. You floated it out. I know it'll be you.
Did it throw it out? I didn't throw it out.
Hi,
Okay. Happy Halloween.
Because you were
Say Happy Halloween.
Daddy was here. Happy Halloween.
Nighty-night.
Nighty-night.
Time to go to bed. We're going to brush our teeth and go to bed, right? Emmy. Say Happy Halloween.
Hi, you have something that you won't want this. Do you have it? Do you want that? Do you? Yeah. I want this.
Where's all the rest of the candy? In this bag?
This bag.
Oh, boy. And you have your 3 goodie bags over there. We have candy everywhere, don't we? Too much. Make the scary sound with the flashlight. Can you make the scary sound? Let's make the scary witch sound.
I'll be right back. You have this or something? What's this? Mommy wants this. What's this? Mommy wants this. I think Mama wants this. Can we have this? Yes. This? Yes. Okay.
You guys trading?
Here. One. You can have this. This chocolate. Yes.
Okay, that's your last piece. Okay?
And
Did you get paper in there?
this is my last.
Is that paper? Throw it in the trash, buddy. Alright, let's go up and brush our teeth. Put our Nami's on. Good night-night.